We'll see what these are. That was supposed to happen. Marzipan. Oh, hey y'all. Welcome back to Doug's Cars. 2020 has been an unbelievably terrible year for most folks. Lost jobs, lost family members, lost friends. It's nice that we have some days to reflect on what the year was like and to maybe celebrate a little bit of whatever goodness happened this year. And so I want to make this little Christmas video just to thank every one of y'all for following me this year and watching all the fun antics that I get into, and along with my friends. And I found all these Christmas presents that hadn't been opened yet, so I'm going to go ahead and open them, and we'll see what's in here. Let's start with this one. A truck on it. Ooh, what have we here? It has an AFES price tag on it of $14.95, and it looks like it's from 1982. Charging system tester. We're gonna have to go check this out because I drive a Land Rover, and yeah, this is gonna be tested. Let's put that aside. What have we here? Okay. Ooh, compression tester. I'm seeing a theme, 1980s car mechanics tools that are very weird. And Cal Custom, made in California. So yeah, this is definitely something that looks like it would come from Harbor Freight nowadays, but this was made in California. That is unusual. Another box. Oh, this has got two in here. What have we here? Oh, remote starter switch. I've always wanted one of these. This doesn't look like the ones that I'm used to, but I'm going to try this out, see if I can't, turn that heat on when it's cold out. And then this is like some kind of tire pressure monitor here, vacuum and tester for tire gauge. Yeah, let's try it on my tires. That should be fun. Well, last but not least, this big box with it's like Browning? No. This has got to be car related too. Ooh. It's a laser gun. Well, DC power timing light and bulb check. That should be interesting. It's also from Carson, California, and also has an AFES sticker on it. So these were definitely bought at like a post exchange or base exchange. I still want to say about 1982. I can't wait to try these out. Let's go see what they do. I brought everything out so we can lay it out here. Flexible hose. That looks like it's some kind of tire sensor thing too. This is the most interesting to me. Determines battery condition, checks regulator condition, traces alternator internal faults, easy 2-wire hookup, illuminated diode indicators, simple instructions allow accurate diagnosis, solid state circuitry, sun tune. This is actually made in Taiwan, 1982. I was right. I was kind of joking about the 1982, but okay, that's pretty cool. This phaser gun thing actually is made out of xenons. So that's actually from the 2000s, because now everything's LED, right? All right, I'm opening up the remote starter. Let's see. How does this work? Not open easily, one-handed. All right, so you connect one end to your key, like so. And you connect the other end to the car. See a metal piece of the car, like so. Perfect. And now it looks like, I don't know what you do with there, but I'm pressing this. It's not starting. I know the battery's not dead. I just drove it here. So this thing obviously doesn't work. I hope they kept the receipt from 1982 because, yeah, this is going back. Garbage. With any luck, one of these two tire pressure things will work on this front tire. Let's try this one. I can see it's got a rubber hose on it. It even says it's got a flexible hose on it. Huh. All right, wow. Goes up to 250 PSI. This must be made for truck tires. Well, that doesn't seem to work. What's this thing? That's gonna let air out. That doesn't even work. And what is this? Is that gonna screw on? That's not gonna screw on at all. What is this? This must be made for some weird tires or something, because there's no way that that connects to that. Let's try this other one here. This one even looks more like a normal tire pressure. This one's just got a rubber hose on it. That's not gonna make a good seal. Let's see, what does this go up to? This goes up to, I don't even know, inches of mercury. Well, that's an interesting way of checking your tire pressure, and that doesn't fit on either. What on earth is wrong with these things? All this stuff is just turning out to be junk. I guess 1982 cars were different than 2006 Land Rovers. Time to check under the hood. I found the battery. I think these things just connect right up to it. There's one red and one black. That's red, that's black. All right, I've got the ground already attached. What happens if I do this? Ooh, open field or alt field. The light bulb works. This is the first thing that's actually worked that's been in here so far. It's not a low battery. It's not shorted. Ooh, I got something to light up, and that means the battery works. Which, wait, I already knew that because I drove over here. So this isn't really very useful either. Man, it's almost like getting socks. Now let's try this fancy phaser gun. Let's see, we got switch. Not sure what that does, but again, looks like it just hooks up the same way as the other one. Hopefully it lights up. Red light off, check hookup of clips, red light on and lens does not flash. Replace xenon flash bulb. Replace a xenon bulb, those are expensive. And once again, I've got the ground on. Let's go, got that on. And oh, that lit up. There's no xenon light. I wanted to use this phaser gun, and all it does is go choo 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 with this thing. Oh, come on, work. This has really been a bust. I mean, 1982 was not that long ago. These fancy electronic devices should function properly. Well, yeah, I hope you enjoyed my antics here. I was just having a little fun because it's Christmas and I can. And I want to thank my friends Jerry and Phil for supplying me with those crazy electronic instruments that they bought all those years ago when they were stationed overseas. And I just want to thank all the folks who are stationed overseas this year, because I know it's been a difficult time for them too, as well as it has been for the rest of us. But when you're thousands of miles away from home, it definitely takes a toll as well. Thanks again so much for watching Doug's Cars. And if you want to see more of my fun antics, which may or may not actually involve real running cars at some point, please hit subscribe. There's like 80% of y'all who watch my videos who are not subscribed, and I'd love for that to change. Make it a Christmas miracle for me and help me get to thousands more. Because I want to play with the big boys, and I can't do that right now. So you can make that happen. Anyway, thanks y'all so much for watching Doug's Cars. Have a Merry Christmas and every other holiday. And I will talk with y'all very soon.